Hello, crypto smart investors. So, Gate.io, still celebrating its ninth anniversary, is bringing a World Cup trading competition to you. Wow! And there's a $5 million prize pool to be won. Are you letting that slip by? So watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you exactly how to grab a piece of this cash. So Gate.io recently celebrated its 90th anniversary, and there has been a whole lot of activities, goodies, giveaways and special competition going on, and this is World Cup trading competition. So a $5 million bounty up for grabs. So what they actually did is very creative. They kind of made in such a way that you can register as a team or you can register as a captain. Is all right. So when you come to this page, the link to this page will actually be dropped in the description, so that you go ahead to start a team or to register as a captain. So here you have a tab that says what? Troop registration. So you can also have a tab that says what? Solo registration. So you can also come down and it says current number of participants, that is those that have registered already, and the prize that is won, right? Because the competition has not yet started, so there's no prize won already. So people are registering at the moment. So you can go ahead to register to be able to get lots and lots of prizes. So note, the prize pool is determined by how many users who trade. So hope this makes sense. So roles you can choose to become a captain, you can choose to become a member, troop member, you can choose to become a solo showdown. So you can decide to join the troop as a member, or you can decide to go alone, that is solo. So for captains, what you stand to gain is you stand to share a prize pool of $4 million. For troops, you stand to share also within the prize pool of $4 million. Also for solo, you stand to share within a pool of $1 million. Okay. Now the market is actually USDT Perpetual contract for each of the roles. Does that make sense? So for captain, what you just need to do, the requirement is your contract account access must be $200 or more. Is all right? Then the prize pool allocation is top 100 troops will share the prize pool based on their rankings. Then the rewards is what? Troops profit ranking, troop profit rate ranking. So these are the requirements. If you invite people that are 5 or more people users to join your troop, you'll be designated the troop captain. So troop captains get up to 40% of troop rewards. So you can go ahead to form your troop here now by clicking on form troops. Is all right? So for troops showdown, you can go ahead to read this and register now. So for solo showdown, you can also go ahead for solo registration. So we're going to go through all this to see how we can participate. Preparation for competition, as you can see, it is 3 days to the competition, and this is a contract bonus for captain. It's still 30,000 for 30,000. Nothing has been given out yet. Then you have contract bonus for users. So for every user that, look at what they say, from May 27th to June 3rd, existing users who complete the early bird registration will receive 5 USDT. So for every user that registers, this number will keep on reducing. So out of 20,000, you have 18,000 is still remaining. Is all right? So you can go ahead to register. So this is actually very creative of Gate.io. So you have troop showdown rankings. So these are the troops. So whenever you register, you can also decide which of these troops that you want to be part of. So there's no profit yet, so this does not count for now until the competition starts. So there's description, you can go ahead to read it up. There's strategy support, those that are supporting it. So most of Gates.io's ventures is supporting Gate Labs, Gate Chain, and all that. Now let us go through a live walkthrough how to get the best out of this. Okay, so each of these takes you down to a new opening. So this is home. So navigating, you have troop showdown introduction. So what you do is to you can choose to form your troop as a captain or join a troop. Do your best to lead the troop or help the troop. So eligible contracts, all trading pairs or USDT margin perpetual contracts. So you have this troop list and all that. So you can form your troop or you can join a troop. Is that right? So whatever troop that actually makes sense to you, you can join that particular troop. So this guy has 27 members already. So this troop has this 27 members already. So this is the name of the captain. Alright, so this is the name of the captain. I'll have introduction, show me the Bitcoin. So each of the troop has a kind of introduction, and you can go ahead to form your troop with a picture and all that. So clicking on form your troop, you see it has troop name, which is this. You have troop profile, which is a kind of introduction, then troop logo, then form your troop. All right, so if you think you are capable of forming a troop, you can go ahead to form a troop. So you can also decide to join a troop by clicking here, right? So if the troop has less than 5 members by the end of the registration time, the troop will be automatically disbanded and troop members will be put to solo shutdown. Wow, so that is crazy. So make sure that when you're forming a troop, make sure that it's more than 5. Like this guy here is 3, this guy here is 2, 2. So but these guys here, they've actually met the criteria. So current troops is this. So solo showdown, people that have registered as solo users. So you have eligible contracts, minimum nets is this, just like we've seen before. So this is the price pool. So you can register now. I'll have some of these guys that have also registered. So you have current participants, you have total this and all that. So solo showdown ranking. So you can just go ahead to register on this. Is that right? So by just clicking on register now, after registering for a solo showdown, you cannot join the troop showdown. Hope this is clear. So make sure you go through all this and understand what is happening here. So it's actually very creative of Gate.io to come up with this. Okay, so form your troop, join a troop. So this is awesome. Hope you got value in this video. It's a way of Gate.io giving you the best, its users the best, and also making sure that you get maximum profit. Gate.io, many people use it at the moment, and you should too, because it's one of the top trading exchanges. Do well to support us by smashing that subscribe button right away. Also like and share this video. Trade responsibly. Do your research. Peace out.